A hailstorm moves through, leaving marks on both your Houston area roof and your siding. That happens more often than most homeowners expect because both systems face the same wind, rain, and impact events every season. When both systems are aging together, replacing them at the same time usually makes more financial sense than spacing the work out. A single crew mobilization costs less than two. Scaffolding or lift equipment for a two-story home only has to be rented once. Material lead times and scheduling all run on one calendar instead of two. Sequencing matters here. The roof always goes first. Roofing fasteners along the rake and eave line sit directly above the top course of siding. Installing new siding in the greater Houston area before the roof is done risks panel damage and flashing problems at the roof-to-wall transition. We worked with homeowners who replaced one system without the other, yet still had gaps in the building envelope that the new work could not fully cover. Replacing both at once removes that vulnerability. It can also create a more consistent exterior appearance. New roofing paired with aging siding, or vice versa, often makes wear and color differences more noticeable. Coordinating both projects simultaneously helps ensure the home's exterior performs well and presents a more unified look. Our process starts with a documented inspection of both systems, not a sales walkthrough. If your roof and siding in the Houston area are showing wear, reach out to Houston Roofing and Construction to schedule your assessment today.